In this video, we're going to show you how to properly wash silk garments. Silk is a delicate and luxurious fabric that requires special care to maintain its beauty and softness. Washing silk incorrectly can cause damage, so it's important to follow the right steps to keep your silk clothes looking and feeling their best. Let's explore the best methods for washing silk without ruining it. Use a mild detergent designed for delicate fabrics or silk, a clean basin or sink for hand washing, a soft towel for drying, and cool or lukewarm water. Avoid regular laundry detergent, bleach, or fabric softeners, as these can damage the delicate fibers of silk. If the care label indicates hand washing, fill a clean basin or sink with cool or lukewarm water and add a small amount of silk-friendly detergent. Submerge the silk item and gently swish it around in the water for a few minutes. Do not scrub, wring, or twist the fabric, as this can damage the fibers. Focus on any areas with visible dirt or stains by lightly rubbing them with your fingers. Once you've finished washing, drain the soapy water and refill the basin with cool, clean water. Rinse the silk thoroughly to remove all detergent. Gently swirl the garment in the water without twisting or wringing it. Repeat if necessary until the water runs clear and no detergent remains. After rinsing, carefully lift the silk item out of the water and gently press out excess moisture by laying it flat on a clean towel. Roll the towel with the garment inside to absorb more water, but avoid wringing or twisting the fabric. Once most of the moisture is absorbed, unroll the towel and lay the silk garment flat on another dry towel or a drying rack to air dry. Never hang wet silk, as it can stretch and lose its shape. Some silk items may be machine washable. If the care label allows for it, place the garment inside a mesh laundry bag to protect it during the wash. Use the delicate or silk cycle on your washing machine, with cold water and a silk-friendly detergent. Avoid using fabric softeners or bleach. Once the wash is complete, follow the same drying process as for hand washing. Silk wrinkles easily, but it's important to iron it carefully. If ironing is necessary, use the lowest heat setting on your iron and ensure the fabric is slightly damp. Place a clean cloth or pressing cloth between the silk and the iron to protect the fabric. Avoid using steam directly on silk, as it can leave watermarks. Once your silk garment is clean and dry, store it properly to prevent wrinkles and damage. Hang silk garments on padded hangers or fold them neatly in a drawer. Store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure can cause the fabric to fade. By following these steps, you can keep your silk garments in top condition for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful garment care tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.